to unbox my new coilovers by MeisterR. So let's see what we got. I will tell you, 42 pounds shipping. And the dog really likes boxes. I'll have to do a video of that sometime. What do we got? Well, let's see. Advanced suspension by Meister, operational manual. Alright, some info on setting them up, which I will try to do in a video. And we have the graphs from the shocks. Oh, cool. Thing. Alright, we got stickers. Oops. That one's got a boo-boo. Ah. What are you doing? And there we go. Sweet. So it's double boxed and it was taped up real well. This looks like a rear. If I can keep them in the camera frame. GT1. Assembled and inspected by somebody. Nice. Got the dust boot. Definitely need the dust boot. Mine is a daily driver. And there's the nut. Alright. Because probably reuse the stock bolt, but the nut, I believe, is on the shock, if I remember correctly. Oh. What's in here? It has wrenches and more nuts. Ah, good. As I say, I got the extensions for the back. Little Allen key to lock them on. Take a look at a front. You can tell it's front. It's got 3 mounting points on the top. Looks very similar to the rear, but not. And it matches my car, red and black. I believe that's it. That should be it. Yep. There you go. There we have them. 2 front ones, 2 rear ones. The extensions that go right on the top here of the rear, so you can reach them without having to take it all apart. The wrenches and some more nuts. Now, gotta get them installed. Actually, gotta get them set up. Always verify that everything is set up properly. Yes, they do it before they ship them. Most of them will claim that. Always verify that they're set right.